Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we'll be taking a quick look at the ASRock B560 Steel Legend motherboard. The ASRock B560 Steel Legend motherboard uses Intel's latest B560 chipset and features the LGA 1200 socket, supporting all of the Intel latest core processors, both the 10th and the 11th generation. It supports memory speeds of up to DDR4 4800 OC, as well as PCIe 4 standards, including one PCIe 4 x16 slot, one Hyper M.2 PCIe 4 Gen 4, and an additional two M.2 PCIe 3. For audio, it comes with the usual 7.1 HD Nahimic audio and a Dragon 2.5 gigabit LAN. And as usual, this motherboard comes with all of the ASRock's latest features, including the 10-phase Dr. Moss power design and of course ASRock's polychrome sync. What makes this B560 chipset so special is that Intel have allowed overclocking on this particular chipset, whereas before, the older generation of the B series, Intel have disabled the overclocking feature. And since we don't have Intel's latest 11th generation processor on hand, we'll be testing this motherboard using the Intel Core i9 10900K and see how it compares with the Z490 motherboard that we've tested in the past. So let's get cracking, put this onto our test rig, build up a test system, but before we do that, let's do a quick unboxing and we'll see you in a bit. Okay, so let's do a quick unboxing of the ASRock B560 Steel Legend motherboard. And let's have a look at the box. Here we go. Okay, we'll start with the accessories. There's the I/O shield. There's one SATA cable for your SSDs. There's I think there's three. Yep, a set of three M.2 screws and mounts. There's a Velcro strap, nice cable Velcro strap. There's also a Steel Legend keyring, very nice. Steel Legend postcard. There's the driver disc, and then the installation guide. There's also the software setup guide, and I quite like this. This is the Steel Legend sticker. You get a load of those. And now let's move on to the motherboard. Alright, so here we have the motherboard. It's the ASRock B560 Steel Legend. We'll start off with the DDR4 DIMM slots, supporting DDR4 4800 OC. There's the LGA 1200 socket for Intel 10th and 11th generation processors. You have the 8-pin power for your motherboard. And move along here, we have the RGB headers for your RGB. Nice etched logo right here, Steel Legend. And then let's have a look at the slots for your PCIe. 16 times PCIe 4 slot. This is a PCIe 3 slot. And two PCIe 1-time slot there. There's the M.2 Wi-Fi M.2 slot for your module, for your Wi-Fi. And there's one M.2 slot for your SSD PCIe Gen 3. And underneath here, this heat shield, we have the PCIe 4 M.2 slot for your SSD Gen 4. And one Ultra M.2, that's a PCIe 3 M.2 slot. And have a look at the SATA ports. You have 4 SATA ports for your SSDs, and additional 2 here at the bottom. There's no on-off switch, so you'll probably get that with the Taichi or higher end motherboards. And then you have more connectors for your fans, USBs, headers for your audio, as well as more RGB headers as well. Alright, let's have a look at the I/O. Alright, here we have the PS2 keyboard and mouse, USBs, HDMI, DisplayPort, USB-C, more USB 3.0, 2.5 gigabit LAN, more USB 3s, and then array of audio connectors. Alright, so you can see as the ASRock B560 Steel Legend motherboard is aimed at the mainstream user, and some of the enthusiast features you probably find that on the higher end boards, but this should be suitable for most gamers and mainstream users. Alright, so that was a quick look and unboxing of the ASRock B560 Steel Legend motherboard. Intel's B560 chipset has its strengths and weaknesses. As a mainstream motherboard, it has a lot going for it. It supports Intel's latest 11th gen core processor, the Rocket Lake, and is compatible with its predecessor, the 10th gen Comet Lake processor, which means it's a good upgrade path if you already own a 10th gen processor. What's more, it now has native support for PCIe 4, plus Intel have now allowed the option for memory overclocking, which wasn't available on the older B460 chipset. So let's summarize. The ASRock B560 Steel Legend is a decent mainstream motherboard that offers good performance with a decent amount of features. Its unique silver, white, grey camo design makes the motherboard stand out from the rest, and is perfect for any system builder who's after a white-black themed PC build. The rich feature list includes the high-density glass fiber PCB that comes with a matte black finish. It also features ASRock Super Alloy, Dr. Moss, the 10-phase power design, and PCIe 4 x16 steel slot. It also comes with 6 SATA ports, 1 Hyper M.2 PCIe Gen 4 slot, as well as 2 Ultra M.2 slot PCIe Gen 3 for your SSDs. And as usual, it comes with the 7.1 HD Nahimic audio, the ASRock Polychrome RGB sync, and of course the Dragon 2.5 gigabit LAN. Doing our benchmarks, we got some really good scores, including a PC Mark 10 score of 7,625 and a PC Mark 9 score of 8,076. For Port Royal, we got a score of 6,791 with a DLSS score of 75.47 frames per second using Nvidia's latest drivers. For 3D Mark Time Spy and Firestrike, we got an excellent score of 11,489 and 23,584 respectively. The overclocking ability of the B560 chipset is limited, but much better than the older B460 chipset, which literally had none. In the end, we managed to overclock the Intel Core i9-10900K to a 4.9 GHz, with memory overclocking reaching a speeds of up to DDR4 4000. The ASRock B560 Steel Legend could easily earn the title of King of the Mainstream Motherboard. It's packed with great features from ASRock with decent performance to match, and you get all this at a price that's affordably attractive. You can check out the full review on our website at funkykit.com. And there you have it. That was a quick look at the ASRock B560 Steel Legend motherboard featuring Intel's latest B560 chipset and supports all of the latest Intel processors, both the 10th and 11th generation. It's a great mainstream motherboard with decent performance to match. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget you can actually buy this via the links in the description, and of course visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Oh yeah, hit the subscribe button for more. You can support us by buying some merch at the streamlabs.com/funkykit/merch, and of course subscribing to our YouTube and Twitch channels. So that's it for today. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.